Hello everyone, it's Erica with Craftinated. So this is my second Peachy Cheap box. I got the other one the other day, and then this one came today. This is the Peachy Cheap Planner box. This was from the Black Friday sale, and these ended up costing $40.98. It's the same as the other one was. They were, I think, $35 a piece plus shipping, which made it $40.98. So let's see what we have in here. Alright, so we have Jen Hatfield Stickers. These are so cute. So it's got some floral ones. I love these. It has like a wreath. Let's see. There's the floral ones. It says miss your face, sending hugs your way, happy birthday, etc. Love these floral ones. Those are so much fun. It says for my bestie. Love this cat. It says celebrate you today. This one says got you on my mind. And some other really fun stickers back there. So that's super cute. Like that. A bunch of things just fell out at once. This is Stickers. And so this says deadline, treat yourself. You got this. Some to-do stickers. Weekly goals. And some florals. So that's really cute. I don't know why they're so tiny though. I feel like I don't know that you can even see these at all. They're so super tiny. So this says today there's some floral, or not floral, but like leaf pieces. Hello, remember, thankful, to do. This says believe you can do it, make today count. So these are cute. I just wish they were a little bit bigger. Okay, this is so funny. So in the other Peachy Cheap box I got, they had these cardstock flowers as well. They were slightly different color, and I actually like these ones a lot better because it has like the craft color. So I actually might keep these. These are growing on me. So these are Studio 112, and it's K and Company, and there's 9 of those die cut pieces. Here's some more Stickers. These are also floral. I love these little flags. I don't know if you can see these at all. They're so tiny. But these say to do. And then you have some arrows and some floral pieces. And then this has like Monday, like it says MTWTHF. So for the days of the week. So that's really cute. These are Project Life cards. And I love Project Life cards. So let me see. So these are photo overlays. So this says before and after, like the way that it looks on the photo. And they just have different things. Like this says collect memories. Breathe in. What? I can't read what these say on the back, but it looks like there's like some florals. This one says captured. But these are really cute. I do love Project Life cards. Some more stickers. They kind of look like washi strips. It doesn't say where they're from. Then I have some My Mind's Eye ephemera. This is the With Love mixed bag. I actually have this paper, so that's going to be really helpful when using that paper. Or you can use it in your journal, but that's really cute. It's so funny because a lot of this stuff is like going with or is the same as the other one I got. So this is the My Mind's Eye Gingham Foundry sticker sheets, and these are so pretty. I love these. It's got this floral, really pretty like rabbits. There's a bird there, some washi strips, the alphabet. But I just love the colors. Dream, live for love, our home. So these are really pretty. These are things I would definitely use in my journal. This is Teresa Collins, Everyday Moments, and just looks like it's some punch outs. It is not the number of years in your life that count. It is the life in your years. Okay. And then this is my story, thoughts about the day. So these are really cute. Then we have a Pebble sticker book. So these are always really fun. I love these sticker books. They always have lots of fun stuff. It says dinner, lunch, weekend, party, hydrate. Some just fun stickers. Lee Sparkle wherever you go. Love ya. Laugh lots. Hooray, hooray, it's your day. best friend day. So that was some weather. Then this says workout and laundry day, and some really cute gold foiled wording, and just lots of stuff that you can put into your planner or bullet journal. Then we have some Puffy Stickers by Heidi Schwab, 1 through 9. Yes, please, beautiful, happy. So those are cute. We have Simple Stories 6x8 paper pad. It's called Cozy Days. That's really cute. And then there's one more thing in here besides the journal, and it says Pebbles. So these are like, it says it's self-adhesive. It looks like it's just those flowers, embellishments. And then let's move this. And then we have a planner. So I will probably end up gifting this planner. I don't know if it's dated or not. It says it's classic. Open side flap to look inside planner. Okay, I see, maybe. I can't tell if it's dated or not. It is not dated. So I would probably gift this only because I don't typically use planners. I use my bullet journal, but I know a lot of people love planners, so this is something I will probably give away. I'll ask my mother first if she wants it, and then I'll go from there. But it's really cute. It's a full planner. It looks like it has January through December, so perfect for the upcoming year if she wants to get in there and start planning. So that was everything. Again, this was $40. I think that it was a really good deal. Sometimes these planners can be fairly expensive on their own, so I think my favorite item would have to be this Gingham Foundry sticker pack. I can see myself definitely using this in my journal. So thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments below if you got a Peachy Cheap planner box as well on Black Friday, and if so, what was your favorite item? And as always, you can subscribe to me here on YouTube. If you'd like notifications when I come out with new videos, please hit that bell below, and you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.